All right, let's talk about wolves. Not the big bad wolf from fairy tales, but real wolves. Forests, mountains, tundras. These animals are way more fascinating than most people realize, and honestly, there's a lot we can learn from them. So, what exactly can a wolf teach us about life? First up, teamwork. Wolves are the ultimate team players. They hunt together. They raise their pups together. They even look out for the old and injured members of their pack. It's not just about survival. It's about thriving as a group. If one wolf tries to take down a huge elk alone, it's probably going to fail. But when the whole pack works together, they can take down prey 10 times their size. Makes you think about how much more we can accomplish when we actually work together, right? Next, let's talk about communication. Wolves don't just howl at the moon for fun. Every howl, growl, or whimper means something. It's their way of staying connected, warning each other about danger, or even just checking in. Imagine if we paid as much attention to how we communicate. Maybe we'd have fewer misunderstandings and stronger relationships. Now, here's something cool. Wolves are fiercely loyal. They form close bonds with their pack, sometimes for life. And when it comes to protecting their own, they don't back down. Loyalty like that isn't just about sticking around. It's about trust, respect, and having each other's backs, no matter what. Something I think we could all use a bit more of. But wolves aren't just tough. They're adaptable. They live in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from frozen tundras to scorching deserts. When food is scarce, they get creative. When the weather turns wild, they adjust their routines. That kind of flexibility is a superpower in a world always changing. Last lesson, never underestimate the power of rest and play. Wolves spend a lot of time playing with each other, especially the pups. It keeps them sharp, builds trust, and honestly, it just makes life better. Even the fiercest hunters know when to take a break and have some fun. So yeah, maybe the wolf isn't just a symbol of wildness or danger. Maybe it's a reminder to work together, communicate clearly, stay loyal, adapt to change,